Right, welcome back to the channel. I'm just in the middle of doing something. As you can see, I've got some stuff out that I've got listed on my website, and I'm just checking it all to make sure the COAs are correct. And I've just had this come through the post. Now, I've got no idea what it is. It's a bit of a shade. Now, I know where it's from because I could see from the little postmark on there where it's from. And this is from NerdUK, who does some really cool 3D printing. He does boxes like these. He actually does the CAD design for the inside of these boxes. So this part here where they all fit in, that's a Nerd design. So I'm excited to see what he sent me. I have no idea. I didn't know it was coming. So I can feel it. It feels like a big, I don't know. I'm guessing it's going to be something 3D print related. Feels like a print bed or something, but it's too small, but it's quite firm. So let's get into it and see. Yeah, he's a very cool 3D printer, and he's over on Stacker Social. And if you want to contact him, he does boxes for bullion storage and boxes for bespoke pours as well. And it's some really cool stuff. I can't get into it. I'm making an absolute mess of this. As you can see, I'm not very good at these unboxings, but I say unboxing, unpackaging. Right. So yeah, as I was saying, do check him out over on Stacker Social. I'll put the link in the description below. Right, what have we got here? Let me get rid of the but nothing else in there. No. What have we got here? So Nerd, of course. He's called Nerds. Nerdbacks. Okay. Collect them, trade them, nerd them. Now, right, I'm having a guess now. It's starting to come together. Nerdbacks. I'm sure if you're in the stacking community, you've heard of Goldbacks. Now, they're the printed sheets. We've got printed gold on top, and they have lovely designs. So I'm guessing this is Nerds. This is a Nerdback. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, I don't want to open them. Should I? See, this is a bit like them Pokemon cards, isn't it? If you don't open them and keep them years, they get really sought after and really cool. Should I open this or not? I don't know. Oh, I'm really tempted not to open them. Well, that don't make a very good video or an opening reveal, does it? Shall I open them? Yeah, I'm going to open it. Oh, what have I done? I should have kept it. Right, so, but yeah, you have to open them. Nerdbacks. Let's see what a Nerdback is. Oh, my word. Oh, my God. Are you getting this? Ah, look at this. This is one punk back. Look at that. One tryout, 3 dice, 5 silver. Look at me pour it in. How cool is that? Oh, my word. These are amazing. These are so cool. The punk back. The nerd back. 3D printing we trust. How cool are these, man? And there's Nerd with his 3D printer printing out the treasure boxes. Oh, look at that. Silver stacking in the UK, in books we trust. I'm sure you know who that is. He has a book back. That's friend of the channel, 365 Days of Silver. And if I just let me just pop that. Oh, let me just pop that down there. I'll just move you for a second. Now, there he is, look. And that was a design by Nerd as well. There he is, 365 Days of Silver. And there he is in his very... Well, I'll let you decide. I'll let you say what it is. But how cool are these? So he has a book back. The punk back. And the Nerd back. Oh, my word. I'm guessing there's more to collect. There has to be more to collect. So I need to say I'm going to have to reach out to Nerd, or if Nerd can drop it in the comments below, tell us what else is out there. But that is wicked. 365. Look at that. Stacking Silver in the UK. That's his book. He has written a book, if you didn't know. I'm sure you can get a link to that. I'll link his site, his YouTube. But yeah, there you go. They are Nerdbacks. And look at that. I got 3. Got to get them all. Cheers for watching, folks.